Hi, dear teachers. We're going to talk about exponent law. You see here which option shows 3 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 2 as a single power. Before we go to this one, we need to review something. If I have, let's say, 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3, for example. Some students, they see it like that 3 to the power of 2, that means 3 times 3. And after that, the 3 to the power of 3, that means I'm repeating 3 times with this way. At the end, it's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 3 to the power of 5. In grade 9, they know the exponent law by saying what? If I have 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 3, and I have the same base, all I have to do in case of multiplication, that I add the exponent 2 plus 3, which is going to give me 3 to the power of 5. So for sure, with the exponent law, it's easier instead of breaking down this number, because if I have like 3 exponent or to the power of 11, it's too much to like break down this number to 11 threes. In this case, I prefer that we use the exponent law. So here in this example, it's saying 3 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 2. We see that the first condition, it's the same base. Since I have the same base, all I have to do is to add the exponent. So this is then equal to 3, 11 plus 2, which means 3 to the power of 13. So right away, the first one is the correct answer. Thank you for listening.